What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a font to CapCut PC. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to Google and you have to go to a website which provides fonts to download like thefont.com that I'm going to use for this tutorial. And let's say that I want to use this Crash Bow font. And now what we want to do is to download it. Now we want to click on it. And we're going to click on Crash Bow like so. Then here what we want to do is to click on install, and now our font has been installed. Then what we want to do is to go to CapCut and we're going to restart the app. I restarted the CapCut, so now I'm going to text and I'm going to add one to the timeline. And now if we go to fonts and search for our font that we just downloaded, Crash Bow, you can see our font is right here and we can use it. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.